Hello guys, sorry I haven't done a video. And yes, I'm finally back. Don't worry, I am back. And today I just got Harry Potter. And with more collectibles, because I've already got some. And I even have a limited edition. I've just been started opening some of them. But just tell you, these two I've already gotten last week, but I didn't do on video. So once I've opened from these packs so far, a Hagrid. Your wizard viewers. Hermione and Broom. And the little book beak. Holographic book beak. I'm a little book beak. Do you wanna ride on me? Book beak! Now I'm gonna open some more. Holographic Dumbledore. I'm not sure if you can see, but he's got the Elder on his hand. Might be quite tricky for you, but I can
Oh my gosh, your nails are filthy.
Sorry about the nails. One out of the Harrys, just a normal Harry. That one, holographic Harry Potter. Hello, I'm Harry Potter. Now we have Titanium Draco with Wandors. Save the mystery ones till last. So we're gonna open it. Ever pick you? If I can explode this thing. Oof. Now I have a feeling this is holographic Lupin. Yep, it is. If he will get out. And is this Ron or is this Neville? Yep, this is Ron. We have another Ron, but it's a bit different. It's Ron on his broom. So I think we've got the whole trio of their brooms now. And we've also got their worst enemy. We have Dobby the house elf. Dobby. Dobby. Next, we have you know who. Well, holographic Voldemort. And once again, we have another Harry. I don't know how many Harrys I'm getting, but I've got a lot. Now, blind bag time. Another Dobby the house elf. Dobbies. We have the original Dumbledore. Original Dumbledore meet holographic Dumbledore. Now I might not have time to do the collection, but I'll just show you some of my favourites. I hope you're happy. So here are some of my favourite ones that I've gotten. So this one is a limited edition fluffy Hedwig. She's really soft, but too bad you guys can't feel it. She's a limited edition and it's exclusive to the 7 packs. Next, I have holographic Snape. Since he's one of my favourite characters, if you didn't know from the last one collection. So, yes, thank you for watching my video and see you guys.